Ford is marking National Mustang Day by announcing that its flagship is the world's top-selling sports coupe for the third straight year, and the Blue Oval announced it will enter the venerable nameplate in the NASCAR's top stock car racing series, replacing the Fusion. Global registrations of the Mustang in 2017 totaled 125,809 cars, based on Ford's analysis of new light vehicle registration data from IHS Markit, which is compiled from government and other sources and captures 95% of global new vehicle volumes in more than 80 countries. About two-thirds of the Mustangs, 81,866, were registered in the U.S., meaning the remaining 43,943 were in export markets, including 7,125 in China alone. The numbers appear to be down from 2016, when Ford said it sold more than 150,000 Mustangs globally. By way of comparison, GM said it sold 67,940 Chevrolet Camaros in the U.S. in 2017, down 6.6% from 2016. U.S. sales during the first quarter of this year were off 22.9% from the same period in 2017. GM sold 1,592 Camaros in Europe, according to CarSalesBase.com. GM also exports the muscle car to China, Mexico, the Middle East, South Korea and South America, but only reports global sales by region and brand.